Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter people as a resources, that is the importance of education. Previous video we already discussed the importance of education. Now government take the further step to improve the quality of education. The first Swachh Shiksha Abhiyan. Swachh Shiksha Abhiyan is a significant step toward providing the elementary education to all the children in the age group of 6 to 14 years by 2010. It is a time bounded initiative of the central government in the partnership with the state and local government and the community of achieving the goal of universalization of elementary educations in the terms of literacy. And we can say that the vast difference is noticed across the different sections of the population. Literacy among the male nearly 50% higher than the female, and it is about 50% higher in urban area compared to the rural area. So literacy rate very far 96% in some district of the Kerala to below 30% in the some of the Bihar and MP. And bridge course is back to school. There were several activities which are provided by the government, like midday meal schemes, one time meal scheme to provide to student in school so they can increase the attendance, improve the health condition of the student. Bridge course means campus have been intended to increase the enrollment of elementary educations. They have also look after the NNP of so that they can contribute more and more health status of the student. And the various measures taken by the government to spread the education in India means the government which are taken to increase the education among children means constitution provide vision had state would provide universal free education up to the age of 14. And central government start to project like Swachh Shiksha Abhiyan to provide the elementary education to all the children age of 14 6 to 14 by the 2010. Special attentions emphasis on the girls education. Special school like Navodaya Vidyalaya established for children in each district. Vocational stream have been developed to provide the high school student with the occupational skills. And beside providing the school, it is our using some non-conventional measure to encourage the people to send their children to school, to discourage the dropout. Midday meal scheme which already discussed implement to increase the attendance and retention children, improve the nutritional states. Like that there are the several steps by the two silent feature of 10 5-year plan. Here they can introduce reduction of poverty ratio, access to primary education, raising the literacy rate, declining the infant mortality rate, and improving the courage of village in the terms of access of the potential drinking water, reducing gender gap, and reducing the decade population growth. And government also take the health step to improve the health condition also. Need of good health, there is a firm where workers are not healthy will no firm succeed. The healthy person is helped to realize his potential ability to fight illness. So health is the indiscernible basis of realizing one well-being, and for improvement in the health status of population has been priority of the country. So step taking to improve the conditions, improving the accessibility of the healthcare, family welfare, nutritional service with special focus on the underprivileged segment. The outcome it increased the expectancy over the 68.3 in 2014. Infant mortality rates come down from 147 in the 1951 to 34 in 2016. And birth rate have been dropped to 204. Death rates to 6.4 within a some duration of time. Increase in life expectancy, increase in longevity of life indicator, good quality of life, marked self-confidence, and protections of children free infection, ensuring the nutrition of both mother and children also. Now the challenge, there are many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. On some only 381 medical college and 31 dental college in the country, and just four states in like Andhra, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka maximum number of college. Thank you.